Hi, this is Emily from Emily Hayes Homes, and I am here to invite you to a really amazing class that we're having coming up on the 5th, home selling. So, how many home sellers have questions about the process, especially when it's the first time you've done it? We're here to answer all of your questions. Things like, should I make any repairs? What are the ones that are going to bring back the most money? How do I prepare my home to sell? Is it a good time to sell? Should I sell or should I hold on to my property? These are the kinds of questions we're going to be going over, and we want you to send us and bring your questions to us as well. We are very much looking forward to educating you. It is my absolute passion in life is to educate people on the home buying and selling process to help arm people with the right information so they can make the most educated decision for their situation. We look forward to seeing you on the 5th, and if you can't make it but you're interested in chatting, we are always available to talk, so please reach out personally and I will look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.